Getting your home project done right means you absolutely cannot skip on the permitting and legal compliance stuff, no matter how tempting it is to just wing it. So first, you gotta find out exactly what permits are needed for your specific project. Different places have different rules, you know? Hit up your local building department or check their website. They usually spell this out. Next, make sure you actually apply for those permits before starting any work, because doing stuff without permits can lead to big headaches like fines or having to tear things down. While you're at it, ask about any inspections that need to happen during or after the project. These inspections are there to keep things safe and up to code. Keep copies of all your paperwork organized, so if anyone asks, you're ready. Also, don't forget to check zoning laws or homeowner association rules if they apply. Sometimes they have extra requirements or restrictions. If you're hiring a contractor, make sure they're familiar with local permitting too. It can save you a lot of trouble. Lastly, plan some extra time into your schedule for the permitting process since it can take longer than expected, and rushing through it is never worth it. One of the biggest mistakes people make with permitting and legal compliance is assuming they don't need permits for small projects. This can cause costly fines or forced work stoppages. Fix it by always double-checking local regulations, no matter how minor the project seems. Another common issue is not scheduling required inspections or ignoring them, which leads to failed final approvals. The fix is simple: schedule and be present for all inspections to ensure everything meets code. Lastly, many folks don't consult local laws or homeowner association rules before starting, which can result in denied permits or penalties. Avoid this by getting all the info up front and following the rules closely. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to connect with trusted local contractors who know their stuff about permits and legal compliance. Plus, contractors get a steady flow of work by showing up where homeowners are looking for reliable help on their big projects.